Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking you on a captivating journey through the land of smiles, Thailand. From bustling markets to serene temples, and pristine beaches to lush jungles, Thailand offers a tapestry of experiences that will leave you awestruck. Our adventure begins in the vibrant heart of Thailand, Bangkok, a city that seamlessly blends tradition with modernity. Our first stop is the magnificent Wat Pho, home to the colossal reclining Buddha. The sheer size of this golden statue is absolutely breathtaking, and the temple's intricate design is a testament to Thai craftsmanship. Just a stone's throw away, we have the Grand Palace, a dazzling architectural masterpiece. Its glistening spires and intricate details make it a must-visit. Now, let's dive into the culinary wonders of Thailand. The street food here is a sensory explosion. Pad Thai, Tom Yum, and mango sticky rice are just a few of the mouth-watering dishes you must try. For a more ethical encounter, head north to Chiang Mai, where you can spend time with majestic elephants in a responsible sanctuary. Want some excitement? Catch a thrilling Muay Thai match. It's not just a sport, it's a true display of Thai culture and tradition. From the north, we head south to the stunning beaches of Krabi. With its limestone cliffs, crystal clear waters, and vibrant marine life, Krabi is a paradise for beach lovers. Don't miss Riley Beach, accessible only by boat, where you can rock climb, kayak, or just relax on the pristine shores. Up in the northernmost part of Thailand, you'll find Chiang Rai, a city known for its surreal white temple, Wat Rong Khun. It's a masterpiece of contemporary Thai art. Back in central Thailand, experience the unique floating markets of Dam and Sajuak, where vendors sell fresh produce and souvenirs from their boats. the sun sets, Bangkok comes alive with its vibrant nightlife. From night markets to rooftop bars, the city offers something for everyone. Thailand truly is a land of wonder and diversity, a place where tradition and modernity coexist harmoniously. So, when are you planning your visit to this incredible country? Thanks for joining us on this journey through Thailand, and as always, stay curious and keep exploring. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more travel adventures.